Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this portal which interacts with this ground. You can see. So this is a very basic effect. So let's start this tutorial. So as you can see, when I move this here, there's also the same pattern on ground. So it's interacting with this. And this is actually separate emitter. If I'll show you this first emitter, this is just a smoke which deletes particle when colliding with this ground. So these particles not going under the ground, is just deleting, and when they're deleting, I am spawning this particle system, and this particle system linked with the position of emitter. So when I move this up, it dissipate. When I'm moving it down, it generate with this length. Okay, and similarly I just duplicated it 2 times to make these sparks type thing, and this thing, and then this is again a smoke layer. So these are just layer to make the effect good, otherwise these 2 layer has complete effect. This is the complete effect. So what I did exactly here, I'll do it again from scratch. So let's say I hide my portal and create a folder test and create a fx.